zoom नहीं है. What you are seeing is now are some our Muslim brothers who are called Turkakashi. That means Muslim stone cutters. These people, they work in the mountains and they break stones. These stones are used for the construction of houses and buildings. These Muslim brothers, what they do is every day they go to the mountains and from morning to night, evening, they do such hard work, be it summer, be it winter, be it monsoon. These Turkakashi, that is Muslim stone cutters, they live their life by selling these stones. For an illustration, we wanted to show you how these people cut a stone. This is done manually, this is done without any machinery, and these Muslims are very poor. At one time, their forefathers were of the Hindu community and they had accepted Islam a few 100 years back. We are today at Kondapur village in Karimnagar district of Andhra Pradesh state in India. As you can see, these people, they are showing you how they break a stone, how to break a rock, and it is through this way they earn their living. See, this is some technique which they have since a long time, and they are showing us how they break a huge rock or a stone. See, this is how it is broken. See, this is how it is broken. You can see it. Just with their hands, these Turkakashi Muslims, they break huge stones, huge rocks, which are in turn used for the construction of buildings. These people are illiterate. They do not have any formal education, and you can see this is how these stones are broken. These stones are used in the foundations of construction of houses. See, this is how it is broken. You can see how the rock is split into two. You can see how the rock is split into two. And after this, these rocks are again separated and made into small pieces. This is extremely hard work and very laborious work. This is how a rock is broken into small pieces without any machinery, without any latest equipment. आप कैमरे से भी लियो, आप वीडियो लियो. Again, these stones are broken into smaller pieces. These are formerly the tribal people of India, and they are called Turkakashi. Turkakashi means Muslim stone cutters. As you can see, how they are with their without any machinery. You can see how they are breaking these huge boulders into stones and again into smaller bits without any machinery, without any drilling machine. This is how these people work. This is how they earn their living. So we would like to convey to our brothers and to our friends and see how these people they are living and how they earn their living. You can see one more. You can see one more. बस किसी एक को देने दो. देखो उनको एक को मारने दो बस. उनको एक आप अकेले मारो. उन्होंने एक जो बस उनको मारने दो. इसको कैसा फोड़ दो. रोक दो आप. उनको एक को मारने दो. वो एक बताएंगे फिर एक बार. You can see once more how a huge boulder that is, it has been split into two, and again that stone has been sizzled, and by some technique, without much effort, these people are able to break these huge boulders into small stones. These people, they live in Kondapur village of Karimnagar district of Andhra Pradesh in India. Such people are there spread all over Andhra Pradesh. They were formerly a tribe belonging to the non-Muslims, who later on their forefathers had converted to Islam, and they have not left their profession and they do not have any formal education, and once a child reaches the age of 14 years, his job is to go to the mountains and break huge boulders into small fragments, into small stones, which are used for construction of building material. See, you can see how they have some technique by which they can break a huge boulder into two pieces. See, you can very well see how this boulder is broken into two pieces without any machinery, without any drilling machine, or without any modern machinery. These people, they work from morning to night, morning to evening, and this is how the life goes on. They know nothing except for breaking of stones, and this is the only profession they know, and they are taught since centuries. As you can see, huge boulders have been broken into pieces, and again those pieces are being sizzled and again broken into smaller pieces, which will be used for the construction and houses. See, now you can very well see they have got some technique which they use, and with that they are able to break it. See, as you can see, it has been broken into two pieces. This is how they break huge boulders in the mountains or in the hills, and this is the profession. By selling these small stones which are used for construction of houses, they live their lives.